VMware or virtual environments inside of Visual Storage Intelligence can be viewed through the Virtual tab. Click on this and I'll actually see all the information from my Virtual Center environments, and there may be more than one, as well as my Nutanix environment, so any hyperconverged. In this case, I have one of each. And so what you can see here is my average cluster memory at the high level, utilizations for memory, disk, and compute, number of clusters, etc. Probably some of the handiest things inside Visual Storage Intelligence is the ability to see all of the data you want for particular environments on one page. This is on one page, all the clusters in my environment. So I see all the clusters being compared, and I see the particular number of servers, VMs, and the like. I actually see my capacity constraint for that cluster, as well as the metrics in terms of utilization for memory, disk, and compute. And then if I'd like for any of these, I can double click on the cluster and get in one page a complete view of the cluster, all of its ESX hosts, and all of the VMs. So one click of a mouse, I see everything. So I don't have to go hunt around for a bunch of different metrics. And I see up at the top my capacity constraints. What is my build capacity? How many VMs do I have that are lightly utilized from a compute standpoint? In this case, I've exceeded my build capacity. So in actual fact, I need additional disk to handle additional workload kinds of things. And you can actually see your different metrics right here. So very handy, all in one place. And I can go look at things like my trends over time. So on the left-hand side is my build capacity. On the right-hand side is my typical legacy kinds of metrics, disk, compute, and memory utilization. And there's a variety of other pictures here as well. So if I want to, I can go in and see my trends in more of a pictorial view. And if I want to, I can then drill into any particular host or VM. So if I want to, I can drill into this specific VM and see all about its tool status, its operating system name, the OS it's running, et cetera, and the trends for this particular VM. And then if I want to work my way back, I can just use the breadcrumbs up at the top. And you can see we actually have the health for each VM as well stored there. And now I've popped back up to the complete view of my cluster. And so I can do tons of analysis inside this one screen. And then if I want to, and I'm all done, I can actually print an overview report and even print my cluster trend reports and soon my cluster capacity planning reports as well. So very handy, single place, view all metrics. And if I want, I can even go back and see all the same things for hosts, for VMs, for data stores, and the capacity planning, all in one place.